Difficulty walking can happen to anyone, and for a variety of reasons, ranging from injuries to arthritis to problems with the back, feet, heart, or lungs. For example, you might have adequate strength or movement or mobility for short distances, but you aren't able to handle the long walk from the parking lot to the stadium or theater. The GLION SNAPnGO was made for you. With the frame weighing less than 28 pounds, the SNAPnGO can be easily lifted in or out of the trunk or backseat of your car. It can be easily set up and ready to go in seconds. Just step on the foot pedal, raise the T-bar to snap it open, attach the seat, and go! The SNAPnGO is capable of carrying up to 300 pounds, and its advanced 36-volt, 6.6 amp-hour lithium-ion battery pack can last 3 to 5 years with a range of around 12 miles on a single charge. SNAPnGO can roll behind you like a suitcase and store out of the way in a compact, upright position. The SNAPnGO is light and easy. Snap open the frame, lock in the seat, and off you go. Although dramatically more powerful and lighter than a lead-acid battery-powered mobility scooter, and much less expensive than a lithium-ion electric mobility solutions, the SNAPnGO is solidly built with advanced features like an aircraft-grade aluminum frame and honeycomb never-flat tires. The lithium-ion battery pack completely recharges in under 3 hours and drives a powerful electric hub motor, so there are no gears or chains to worry about or maintain. Highly maneuverable and easy to drive. You simply press the right thumb control to go forward and the left thumb control for reverse, and pull the handbrake to stop. When darkness falls, front and rear LED lights light the way. The GLION SNAPnGO comes with a standard bicycle seat that is light and compact, but it can be upgraded to a more comfortable seat with a back and arms. This seat swivels and can adjust forward and back for your comfort and ease. An extra battery pack to extend the range is also available. With SNAPnGO, you don't need a trailer, a tailgate lift, or a van with a ramp. It's compact and lightweight enough to store in the trunk or backseat of your car, ready to go when you need it. To make your SNAPnGO fit your needs perfectly, order the DELUXE seat and extra battery pack. If walking is a problem that's keeping you from enjoying life, the GLION SNAPnGO is your solution. Fully FAA compliant, you can bring SNAPnGO along on the airplane or cruise ship to easily keep up with friends and get back the mobility you may have lost. Don't let trouble walking keep you from enjoying life. The GLION SNAPnGO is a lightweight, elegant solution to regain the lost mobility.